Why do gardeners secretly put baking soda under their plants? And what happens when you combine it with another simple kitchen ingredient, apple vinegar? Let's find out. Baking soda isn't just for your kitchen. In the garden, it balances soil acidity, protects against fungus like powdery mildew, and even keeps pests like ants and slugs away. When you combine baking soda with apple vinegar, you unlock a powerful natural cleaner for your garden tools and pots, and even a safe spray that keeps harmful insects from attacking your plants. Sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda under the plant to protect roots and soil. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar in a liter of water. Spray lightly on leaves to keep fungus and pests away.